Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. This is a look at our proprietary scans and signals for the major ETFs for this coming session. This is going to be for Monday, May 13th, 2013. Right now we do have a differential buy signal popping up on the diamonds. It is on lower volume. There's not a lot of price movement today. Right now the diamonds are down just a little bit on the day, tracking the Dow, which is down about 8 handles. Definitely the strength in the market is focused to the NASDAQ side. You can see the Qs are outperforming most of the other three majors, getting a decent bump in the mid caps and also the small caps as well. So definitely strength is not focused on the broad market, but rather the alternative majors. Moving on to the domestic sectors, mostly strength here. We've got a fair amount of CPS signals, which tend to be the strongest signals. We've got one of them, the TAN, which is on increased volume, so that's always worth keeping an eye on and paying special attention to. That one is 4.5% above the day's open and about 0.75% above the day's VWAP. Moving on to the commodities, definitely better to buy here. We do have one sell in the UNG, but that's been kind of decoupled from the rest of the commodity complex. But we've got camouflage buy signals for most of the majors here. So we're down on the day, but above the day's open. Pretty decent day here in the silver SLV. That's 1.75% above the day's open and nicely above the day's VWAP. Also seeing the same condition here in the USO. The USO opened very poorly this morning, but has been climbing as the day progresses. Definitely have a lot of downside activity in the bonds today. Right now, the TLT is down about $1.50. You can see we've got downside CPS sell signals for all three of our major bonds that we follow. We also have volume bumps on the TLT and the LQD, so keep an eye on those for Monday. Moving on to the foreign stuff, it's better to buy for sure. I've got some camouflage buy signals and one differential, so these are kind of reversal plays rather than continuations. We do have a camouflage sell signal on the FXI, but that is on later volume. The EWU would probably be the one I'm going to take a look at for Monday, because that one has the best volume today. As far as the specials go, not too much in the way of signals. We do have a downside signal in the TBT, which is kind of offsetting that signal that we saw on the TLT. So definitely keep an eye on both those on Monday. This differential sell signal, which is a reversal signal, is on good volume. One other signal here is in the DUG. We do have a differential sell, so could see a short setup in that on Monday as well. As always, thanks for listening, and this has been Rich for tradesight.